Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 30 divided by 5 parenthesis 3 plus 3. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one division and one parenthesis, and here here is multiplication. According to the rule, first we solve parenthesis. Now the equation become 30 divided by 5, and inside of the parenthesis they give us 3 plus 3 6, and here multiplication. Now we have one division and one multiplication. According to the rule, multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Now first we solve division, then we solve multiplication, because we have in left side division and right side multiplication. So we solve from left to right. Now in left side division. So 30 divided by 5, they give us 6, and multiply by 6. Now 6 times 6, they give us 36. So the final answer is 36. Thanks for watching.